Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now we just came back from a long weekend. I hope you guys had a great Memorial Day. And Gabe and I were in the front office talking about what color we're gonna do for this week's video. And Christina overheard us talking and she said, hey, I've got one. And I was like, okay, shoot, what are you thinking? And she said, I wanna see fusion pink and poison grape mixed together. Now mind you, the car up for this week's video is my old RS6, which I'm very passionate about that car. But at the same time, I love Christina, and I thought this would make her happy. So today, we are mixing poison grape and fusion pink on my RS6. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, when I was thinking about poison grape and fusion pink, I was expecting a very interesting dark pink magenta, fuchsia, something like that. And not that there's anything wrong with that. Did I want that on my car? I think I got a little lucky though. This one didn't come out exactly the way I expected. I'm gonna take it outside right now. I want you to take a look at the car. And then in the comment section below, you know what to do. Rate this car from 1 to 5. 1, you hate it. 5, you love it. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. It'll bring you to all of our kits. We have a ton of colors to choose from. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Also, leave a comment. Let Christina know what you think of her mix. I'll see you guys on the next video. What do you think of your creation?
So, I'll be honest with you.
Oh,
I thought it was going to be more like of a magenta color, not just fully purple.
okay. Well, with the purple that it is, what do you think of that purple? For a purple.
For purple, it's not bad.
All right. It's
purple.
worth the experiment though, right?
Yeah, for sure.
It's still fun.